I have no idea what she's doing. But like the great crocodile hunter, we will watch and observe. The diaper butt in its natural habitat. What are you doing, Maddie? Oh!
The diaper butt pooted.
Look at those fat rolls. She's got some junk in her trunk. What is that, Maddie? Is that your walker? Are you trying to get in it? Yeah? Are you trying to get in your walker? Oh, gotta take a rest. Oh, okay. Hello. I see a belly. I see a belly. What are you gonna do now? You can go back and play with it for a little bit? Okay.
You think that's the hairstyle I have?
Yeah. Oh, belly, belly.
I don't know, should I make my hair blonde or brown? Is it blonde?
Hello, belly. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Yeah, you play peekaboo with mommy? Where'd Maddie go? Yeah. You want your shirt off too? I can take your shirt off of you if you want. You just... Who do you... Oh, you see Pooh in there? Why don't you go get him?
You think I should wear this?
Are you talking to Pooh?
You think I should wear this? Or that?
I like the green one.
Eventually they'll get rid of it.
Go get him. And back to the walker. What are you doing? You want your shirt off?
You know what she said? She said, because I'll let you do it. She said, I don't know. Exactly right. I said, you
Oh my God, they have dresses and they're so cute.
Can I take your shirt off? You want me to take your shirt off?
Look at these two dresses.
Maddie.
Is that one? And that one.
I like that one.
You like that one? Come over.
She said, I can do it. I said, well, it's just working. Anyway, welcome to the Southeast and what's happening.
Oh my God, today and I think it's Wednesday.